All right, guys. So we're gonna look about on SWOT analysis, what it does, and for who, how to use it, why and when to use it, and we're gonna draw our conclusion. Now, what is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is simply a framework that helps organizations, personnel to help guide and know what is going on in their firm. Now, with SWOT analysis, it helps everybody to at least rate yourself and clearly understand what is happening. SWOT analysis comes from the word strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Every business, human being, organizations, government, they live on this every day, consciously or unconsciously. So in these short videos, we're going to be looking at how to use it, why to use it, and for who. We're already talking about for who. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. How? You as a person, you need to rate yourself to understand what is going on in your life. Do you have your strength? Do you have weaknesses? Do you have opportunities? Do you have threats? You always need to live and rate your life on this daily, especially when you call yourself an entrepreneur. Now, talking about companies they live on this to know the various opportunities and to also create awareness and know the best marketing strategy to use for their businesses. How do you use it? Coming to strength. What are the strengths your business has so far? Coming to weakness. Every business lives on this. But when you are fully aware of the weaknesses that you have in your life as an entrepreneur and in your business venture, you will be able to know what to do better. There are other companies that when they know this, what do? They use it to their advantages. We have opportunities. Everybody live on opportunity. It depends you wanting to take the opportunity or not. The last is threats. Every business has threats. There's no way you can run away from it. And something I would like to mention is that when you don't attend to your weaknesses in time, they become threats to your business because they become insolvable. So this SWOT analysis is for everybody. We're going to learn how to use it, why to use it, and when to use it. Let's look at how to use SWOT analysis. We have already established the fact that SWOT analysis stands for what? Strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Now, using it is easy. It's gonna be difficult for me to tell you how to use it if I don't tell you when to use it. Now, when should you use it? When you want to take a major decision for your firm, major decision making, job hiring. Why do I put job hiring? There are times that you hire someone who will still come and give the same problem. For example, if you look at your SWOT analysis and you discover that maybe the major problem that you have in your firm is what? Maybe you lack a social media marketer and you have a graphic designer. Someone can be a graphic designer but it's not a social media marketer. And you now see a graphic designer and he says he has maybe a deep knowledge on social media marketing. You hire the person. Why you already have a graphic designer? The weakness will still be there. That is how to use it. So before hiring, what do you have to do? You have to look at the strength of your company so that you know that the person that you are hiring should be able to fix the weakness of your company. Now you also use it to grow your marketing plan or your strategy. How do you use it to grow your strategy? It's quite simple. Assuming you are drawing a business plan for your company and you are going to need to understand fully the weaknesses of other competitors. You have to analyze the other business competitors. So the best thing you have to do in this case is to do what? Research on their weaknesses. Their weaknesses should be your strength. With this factor, you will be able to run a successful campaign because you already fully understand where they are going wrong. And with this, you should be able to grow your business and maybe grow yourself as an entrepreneur. Now let's go down to why it should be used. Every business wants to grow. That's just the truth and simple. Every individual out there wants to grow. And you should use SWOT analysis for your day-to-day life to understand what you have to be doing, approach something, a project or something. So meaning that SWOT analysis needs to be used in our day-to-day decision making. It can help us take better decisions because at times we are confused. But with running a business or being an entrepreneur, once you have already outlined your strength, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats, you will be able to run a successful business without any stress.